Hey, how you doing, guys? Today I'm doing a review on Nestle nestum. It's actually a pretty cool thing if you have kids and you want to make them get full and you're tired of feeding them like milk. This is great. You can put it in with their regular milk, like their cereal and stuff like that. Helps keep them full. It's great, and it tastes great. It's great in vitamin B. It's like a whole wheat type cereal. It's pretty good. I definitely like it. It comes with honey. It's very low sodium. It's only like 20 milligrams of sodium. So to me, that's definitely really good. If you're definitely trying to, obviously, calories pretty good. It's very healthy. I actually grew up taking it as a kid, so it's been around for a very long time. And I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something to help make your kids more fuller when you give them their feeding. And it's a cool tip. So instead of you giving them like 3 scoops of feeding, you could just do 1 scoop of feeding, 2 of these, and definitely get full. You can save some money. So that's definitely what I've been doing. So I definitely think it's really cool. You can definitely check it out. It's by Nestle. And you just put it in the water, 2 scoops, and shake it up. Add like 1 scoop of milk. You know what I mean? So it's definitely cool. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I respond to every comment, so just let me know what you think about it. So have a wonderful day.